Hello everyone. In today's video I would like to save you some time by showing you how you can fix the grind charger if it have any fault. And actually my grind charger failed I think 3 weeks from now, and here this LED was blinking red. Is lighting red, indicating that there is some problem in the charger. And I went to the local Volkswagen dealer to bring them back the charger so that they can fix it. Let me show you exactly what was the problem. The problem was that whenever I turn on the charger, I plug it into the outlet. It started to indicate that there is some fault, and when I plug it to the car, it doesn't charge at all. So I bring this charger to the Volkswagen, and they explain me that if this happens again, there is here a reset button where you can press and hold it for 3 seconds, more than 3 seconds, and it will reset the charger. Let me show you what's written into the Volkswagen e-up menu. This is the service manual of the Volkswagen e-up. On page 210 and 211 there is an information about the charger. Here you see all the charger and what all of this is about. Here is the description. You see there is a lot of indications. What we were interested is this reset button, and you can see here the reset button can be used to reset any fault indication on the safety device. If necessary, press and hold the reset button for at least 3 seconds. So this is how you can reset any fault of the grind charger of the Volkswagen e-up using the reset button, and this will save you quite a lot of time if you don't have to go to the local Volkswagen dealer. So this is how you can reset it. Currently when I press it, nothing happened, but I guess because the charger is working pretty well now and it doesn't need to be reset. So I hope I save you some time by showing you how you can reset the charger. From a local Volkswagen dealer, they told me that this happens when there is some overheating of the cable. So that's why the charger is put in this state, faulty state, and it needs to wait at least 30 minutes before you can reset it, because the cable needs to cool down. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and you learn something from it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.